Welcome to our exploration of the future of artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll dive into the exciting world of AI and examine its far-reaching impact and boundless possibilities. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing industries across the globe. From healthcare to transportation, from finance to entertainment, AI is reshaping our lives in ways we could have only imagined. AI's ability to automate repetitive tasks and process vast amounts of data has opened new frontiers of efficiency and innovation. In healthcare, AI is aiding in early disease detection, personalized treatment plans, and drug discovery, potentially saving countless lives. In transportation, AI is powering self-driving cars and optimizing traffic management systems, leading to safer and more efficient journeys. But AI's impact goes beyond individual sectors. It has the potential to address critical global challenges, such as climate change, resource management, and disaster response. As AI advances, so do the questions surrounding ethics and privacy. The responsible development and ethical use of AI are crucial to ensuring a positive future for humanity. AI's growth also brings exciting opportunities in the job market. New roles in AI development, data science, and AI-driven creativity are emerging, reshaping how we work and collaborate. The future of AI is not just about replacing humans. It's about augmenting human potential, enhancing decision-making, and unlocking creativity. Together, we can shape the future of AI responsibly, making way for a world where technology works hand in hand with human ingenuity. As we venture into the uncharted territories of AI's potential, let's remember that the future is not predefined. It is a canvas we collectively paint. Like this video and subscribe my channel, and this was AI in 2 minutes.